Welcome to bioextract.org. I'm going to demonstrate how to create a simple workflow using an accessor number and two other public tools. Prior creating a workflow, you should be logged in, and here I'm logged in. Go to the Workflows tab, hit Create and Import Workflows, hit Record Workflow. This removes all the previous tasks recorded and lets you start with a new workflow. Here, a message from BioExtract appears which states that it is going to save each and every steps undertaken to create a workflow. Close the pop-up, go to the Queries tab. These are the available data sources in BioExtract. We are going to select any one required by clicking the plus sign, which unfolds the available data source. Unfold NCBI nucleotide database and select nucleotide, and the search field to accession and a search term to EF608155. Submit the query. The results are stored in extracts page. You can view the record by clicking the view record. Go to the tools tab. These are the public tools available in BioExtract. You can click plus sign to unfold any given tools. Then we are going to blast the results that are stored in extracts page. So select this radio button which says use records and extracts page formatted as FASTA. To be modified, we can use the default, but just for the convenience I'm going to change maximum number of sequences to 10. Execute the tool. The status plays a vital role. It shows when the execution is completed. Here the execution has been completed. The status says execution completed. You can view the results by clicking the button. Or select any one from the drop-down. The results are stored in extracts page. These are the records that we selected, which was 10 in number. You can view the records likewise. Go back to the Tools tab, unfold Alignment Tools, select Cluster W, and we're going to use the same radio button. There are some parameter settings to be modified, such as sequence type has to be changed to DNA, and select width matrix to cluster W. Hit execute to execute the tool. Similarly, the status plays a vital role in here too, and the results can be viewed by clicking view results. Here the execution has been completed. You can view the results. Now we go to the Workflows tab and save the workflow that we have just created. Hit Create and Import Workflow. This is the place where you can give the workflow a suitable name and description. Let's say UST Bioinformatics for the name of the workflow, and for the description you can say maybe blast N cluster W, and save the workflow. This workflow is saved in the left side of the workflow panel, underneath the workflow panel. Here the workflow has been saved. UST Bioinformatics. So you can execute the workflow. Hit start. The color combination shows you the status of the execution of the workflow. The green signifies that the tool has been executed or the node has been executed. The blue states that it is in the execution process, and the yellow signifies that it is in the idle process. So when the execution of each node is completed, you can click on the node to view the information of the tool. You can view the file, the input file for the tool, or you can view the output file that has been generated after the tool has been executed. So this is the output file. The same workflow can be seen as a larger view by clicking in Big. You can click on Provenance to view the overall information of the workflow. The first step is execute a query. The second is using an analytical tool which is Blaston. You can view the input and the output. You can click on it to see the output. So here is the output from Blaston. And the second tool that we used was ClustalW. This is the input that was fed in ClustalW, and this is going to be the output from the ClustalW. You can export the workflow by hitting Export. Save it in the desktop. Workflow is going to be saved in the XML format. Hit click and save it in the desktop. The shared workflow can be uploaded at myexperiment.org, which is a bioinformatics site. Thus, a simple workflow has been created in bioextract.org. Thank you.